Hey everyone, how you guys doing? I'm Erica and I'm back again with another video on how to promote Digistore24 products for free on any social media. It could be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or Pinterest. By the end of this video, you're gonna learn how to do it exactly without paying a cent. So I just signed up for Digistore account and I'm in my dashboard. You want to go ahead and navigate to the marketplace, and this is where you will find all of the different products that you can go ahead and promote. Now you need to choose your niche, which I am in the internet marketing business, so I'm gonna go ahead and choose this one. Once this loads, I'm gonna go ahead and choose a product that I wish to promote. So I'm gonna be using this as an example for this video, and this is the product that I've chosen. Now once you find a product, you want to go ahead and click on promote now. Now that my product is available and my link is here, I'm going to go ahead and create a new Blogger blog. You need to be signed into Google. Just go to these little buttons here and navigate to Blogger. Once you're on Blogger, you want to go ahead and create a new blog. So just click on that, go down to create a new blog. So this is going to be test work at home scams, and I'm going to use the same thing, test work at home, because I don't want to make that too long. So this is available, test work at home. Your job is to go ahead and copy this URL and paste it onto a notepad. Just go ahead and keep that handy because you're going to need it. Now you can go ahead and choose any theme, but don't worry about that. Just go ahead and create your blog. Once your blog is created, you want to go ahead and navigate to themes and just click on the edit HTML tag. So now you want to go ahead and go to the link that I'm going to provide in the description below and navigate to step 6. There's going to be a script that you can go ahead and copy. Just go ahead and copy that. Go back to your Blogger blog and you want to paste this under the head tag. Go back to your Digistore, copy your affiliate link, go back to Blogger, and where there are two brackets in here, there's a link in HTTP between two brackets. You just want to copy the link itself and paste your affiliate link over there. Save your theme once or twice just to make sure, and then you want to go ahead and view your blog. So as you can see, this has navigated to the sales page of that particular product. Now you want to test and make sure that your affiliate link is actually working, and how you can do that is try to sign up for the product yourself. So I'm going to click on that, select the yes, and it's going to take me to the sales page. You want to scroll all the way down and make sure that your affiliate code is marked at the end of the page. This is how you know that whatever sales are generated on this sales page, you're going to get a commission. Now if you want to go ahead and promote this particular product on Pinterest, just go ahead and go onto Canva. You need to have a design. You can download any design from Google Pages, and I'm going to create a custom dimension. I'm going to do 680 by 980. So I'm going to create my design, navigate to elements, put a grid in there. I already have an image that I want to use, and here it is. So I'm just going to go ahead and add that in there, and this name my image, and I'm going to go ahead and download it. Work at home. Now you want to go on to Pinterest and you want to upload your pin. So I have this work at home, and I am going to go ahead and upload it. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my title and my description, and I'm going to use keywords that people actually do search for. So work at home is a keyword that people search for on Pinterest. So I'm going to go ahead and add that in there just like that. Copy just for the sake of this video, because I don't want to make it that long, and I'm going to paste that in there. And if you can remember, we copied our link onto a notepad, and this is the link that you're going to use to promote your product on any social media, anywhere on the internet. Blogger blogs are accepted on every social media and almost everywhere online. So you can use this link to promote your product wherever it is you choose. So I'm going to go ahead and save this pin to a relevant board as well. And this is work from home. I'm going to save it on there. And there you go. So I'm going to go ahead and see the pin. Click on it. And it's going to take me directly to the sales page. So we're going to make sure one more time that our affiliate link is in there. I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom. And yep, there it is. So this is how you can promote Digistore products on any social media of your choice. Now this can also be done for ClickBank products as well, but you need to make sure. So thank you guys so much for watching. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay awesome until next time.